Hi YouTubers, welcome to yet another episode of Wifey Tries. Today we're going to change the wiper blades. We're also going to top up the oil again, which is already done before, but we'll get her to do it again. So let me introduce my wife, Angie.
Hello.
There we go. So as I say, today's challenge, babe, is wiper blades. Let's see how this one goes. So here are the wiper blades, Angie.
Okay.
Now, being honest with you, different manufacturers seem to have different ways of connecting their wiper blades. And even within the same manufacturer, sometimes they change a lot as well. So what do you think the first thing you need to do to get these wiper blades off?
I don't know, but
Okay.
let's see if they slide off.
Okay, good.
I'll have a look at them first.
These will probably be easier ones.
Can
No,
I
no, no, not like that.
Clip.
Look to where they actually join. Where they actually join onto the pole.
Oh, the whole thing?
Yes,
I thought
the
it
whole
was just
thing comes
displayed.
off. The whole thing.
The whole thing, oh, right.
You'll see, it looks to me like there's two little clips that you can pinch, which would then release.
Clips. These.
Yeah, because have a look at how it's made up. It's like a hook like this. It's like a hook like this, and your blade is pushed into that hook. So you're releasing it. You're releasing it so that you can slide the blade out. Now, what I would say is you need to make sure that you don't accidentally flick the whole arm back into the windscreen, because you'll end up just whacking the windscreen and maybe cracking it. So you've got to keep hold of the arm.
Right. And it's those two bits there. Those clips are there, is that what you're talking
Yes,
about?
maybe push them apart or maybe push them together, but either way you need to kind of release the whole wiper blade by using those.
I don't know. I don't know if that's right. Are you sure? Have a look here, babe. These two clips here.
Yeah, so you can see the hook
Them.
and that block needs to come this way, so you're sort of gonna have to release those somehow. You hold the arm for me, there you go, I'm already releasing it. So
With one hand?
I've pushed them apart and
No,
see how it now slides
No,
up.
I didn't see that.
So take the blade off for me a minute. As I say, we need to make sure we don't. We need to make sure. So if you have a look at, I'm just going to place this down there so that we don't accidentally whack it back. If you have a look at this clip, the way it works is the round bit slides over the hook. So to release it, you'd need to sort of push these apart like that. See how I'm doing it with my finger? I'm pushing them apart. You're opening the flaps, babe.
Right, okay, I can see that. So where did this go?
That would have been hooked or pushed onto it like that.
Okay. Right.
Right. Out of interest, try and put that one back on now before we move to a new one.
Out of interest.
So hold the arm to make sure it don't go back.
Right, I'm not even sure. Right, okay, so this
Yes,
way.
you need to orientate it so that it goes around so that you can then slide that block into that hook area again. To be fair, this is one of the easier wiper blades. There are some that have all sorts of attachments and clips and mad mechanism ideas.
Is it upside down?
I hope you have a deeper appreciation now of when you say, "Can you change my wiper blades?"
Don't say it like that.
Well,
Right, have I done this? Am I upside down? Is this upside down? Yes.
yes.
Okay.
The clip needs to be
It's a bit
round the other
top.
way.
Right, okay.
Yeah, like that. So
I'm
you
not
should
sure.
be able to push it through the gap. Yeah, like you're doing.
Right.
But obviously you're going to need it straight somehow, aren't you? So
Oh, like that.
do it like
Oh. Okay. Well, we're in.
push it up so that you feel the click onto the actual.
Didn't hear a click, but it seems solid.
Well, it clearly isn't, because look, you can see the two wings. They should be a lot further past past the arm. You've got to push it up with your finger. Push it up. There you go.
Oh,
That's now.
right, okay.
See how they sit above?
Yeah.
Right, now undo it again and take it off.
Okay.
You're just pushing them apart slightly. It's not a battle. Just pull them apart. Pull them apart.
You said pinch them last time.
No, pull them apart. I said to you, it's like opening the flaps.
Oh, and that right. Well,
Okay.
Down.
Now careful with the arm that it don't flick all the way back. But yeah, go get it off now. That's it. Right. Well done. Okay, so you've successfully taken off one. Let's put on the new one now. Okay, so we're taking off the passenger one now. Hey! Okay, so to the box we go. You're getting a lot quicker at it now.
Got to work out which
new
way
one.
it is. Okay, this way.
I now know that whenever I need my wiper blades changing, I can just get you to come out and do it now.
Maybe.
Whoa!
You can see it better this side. See what's happening.
So the passenger side's easy, you'd say.
Yeah, click.
I just heard it click. Yeah, that's it. Job done. Well done, Ange. Well done. Do we want to check and see if they're working?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, so put the key in.
I know that much.
Okay. Turn it on.
I have. Fully.
Yeah, and then push that down. Okay, so it needs to go one more. Oh no.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, Dan would have done it as well, but yeah, they're working. Excellent. Job done. And that's job done. Yes. Okay, so for the next little part of this video is Andy's going to top up the oil again. You want to remove this out of the way. Just put it to the side. It's unclipped at the moment, so yeah, you can just put it to the side. We want to check what the oil is at the moment. Once again, we're not level. We're not very good at this, are we? We keep doing it on unlevel ground, but we're not level. But you might want to get tissue to wipe it.
Got oil, got funnel, got
We've got the oil and the funnel, and we've got tissue. So we're going to quickly check the dipstick.
check the levels, yeah?
Yeah.
Check where we are. That's low.
Wipe it though. Remember to wipe it first and then pop it in again. Yes, it is low. So, I think we've got, I don't know, half a litre in there. So let's pour half of what we've got in there. You remember where you need to go? Yep.
Yeah, that's a filter.
Well, on the new AMG, we probably will do that because we're going to do a service at some point. Do you want me to hold that, or are you out holding it? In goes the amber nectar. Okay, how much have we done? Yeah, do you want to check it? Once again, we're not on a level ground, so the reason why we're doing this engine oil top-up is because sporadically we keep getting the oil light come on the dash. It comes on, then goes off, comes on, goes off, and as we can see, it was low anyway, so yeah, more. Yeah, more. She wants more, more, more. Yep. Put a little bit more. Just remember we're on a slope here, so the oil is more towards this side. That's probably why it's not registering so much. I think that should be enough. And what we'll do is we'll keep that in the car for, you know, if we need it while we're out and about. Right.
Looks better.
Yeah. It's because
But
we're still on.
The maximum's up here. You could have done with quite a bit more, really.
Yeah, but we're on a slope, so you don't know. This dipstick is probably picking up this side of the engine when it's all rolled down to that side of the sump underneath.
You're the boss.
Yeah, well, I am.
With the car, you're the boss, not in the house.
All right, okay. Put your cap back on. And now you can have the fun of starting the engine. All looking good. All good. Any lights on there? Accelerate it a little bit. Ooh. Getting rather excited with the AMG there. Okay. All good. I think, Ange, that's another job done. Okay, so to finish off, Ange is going to put the engine cover back on. It is. I've meant.
Like cup holders.
Well, that will go over that. That one goes over that, and I've told her about these bungs where the clips go underneath, so it shouldn't be too mental. Yep, you're kind of there. Remember, you've got to go over that. There you go.
Do you hear it going sometimes?
You certainly would do this side. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Say job done.
Job done. And I think that's a wrap for the video, guys. So there you go, guys. That's another Wifey Tries video done and dusted, and definitely a job done. So that's cool. I think I'm ready for a drink now, babe.
Tea or coffee?
Tea. I think I'll have a tea. Thanks, guys. Tune in to the next one. See ya. Yeah, put it back in its little cubby hole. You want to get its part, you should feel the passenger's wheel just about touching the curb. That's enough space back then. And you'll hear these beeping anyway. Yeah, but you don't want to go into it because it goes up a mound. Alright. I think this is the first time she's actually driving the ML. I think this is the first time you're driving the ML, isn't it? Parking brake needs to be off. And it's making that noise because it wants power steering, so try not to turn it too much, yeah? Yeah, so you want to go reverse. Keep going. Stop. Job done.